Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to edit overexposed photos in Photoshop. Without further ado, let's get started. Now first go to Filter and select Camera Raw Filter. And after that, you can play along with this exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, whites and blacks. So you can see it changes our picture. Now let's also adjust the highlights. And add some shadows. And that's pretty much of it. Now this is the before and this is the after. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.